Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha from scratch. First, you'll need a few key ingredients: tea, sugar, water, and a healthy SCOBY with some starter liquid. Begin by brewing about 4 cups of strong black or green tea. While it's hot, stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it completely dissolves. Let this sweetened tea cool down to room temperature, which is crucial before the next step. Once your first fermentation is complete, it's time for the exciting second fermentation, where you add flavor. Carefully remove the SCOBY and about 1 cup of the finished kombucha to use as starter for your next batch. Pour the remaining kombucha into airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Now, get creative. Add your favorite fruits, juices, or spices. Seal the bottles tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 days. After 2 to 5 days of second fermentation, it's time to check your kombucha. Gently open a bottle to test for fizziness and taste. Once it reaches your preferred level of carbonation and flavor, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preventing it from becoming too vinegary. Your delicious homemade kombucha can be stored in the fridge for several weeks, ready to enjoy. To ensure successful kombucha brewing, always use filtered water, as chlorine can harm your SCOBY. Maintain a consistent room temperature, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal fermentation. Always inspect your SCOBY for any signs of mold. If you see fuzzy, dry, or black spots, it's best to discard it and start fresh. Don't be afraid to experiment with various teas and flavorings to discover your perfect brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.